Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A vast, silent darkness, dotted with tiny points of light. It feels empty, serene, almost absolute in its quiet. But what if I told you that this silence is just an illusion? What if the universe is not silent at all? What if all around us an incredible cosmic symphony is playing? A concert of epic proportions that has been going on for billions of years. We just haven't had the right ears to listen. This isn't a story about what we can see. It's a journey into the sound of space, an exploration of the hidden music of the cosmos, a symphony of invisible signals that tells the story of everything. The universe is a broadcaster, constantly transmitting messages across unimaginable distances. Far away, a neutron star, the incredibly dense remnant of a massive star, spins hundreds of times a second. With every rotation, it sweeps a beam of radio waves across the cosmos, like a celestial lighthouse. These pulses travel for thousands of years, passing through vibrant, glowing nebulae, clouds of gas and dust where new stars are being born. They journey across the void between galaxies, carrying with them a precise rhythm, a cosmic drumbeat from a star long dead. But there are other, more ancient melodies in this symphony. Imagine if we could perceive a different kind of light, one that fills every single corner of space. This light exists. It's called the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It's not coming from a star or a galaxy. It's coming from everywhere at once. This faint, pervasive glow is the oldest light in the universe, a relic from just a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. It's the afterglow of creation itself, a gentle cosmic hum that tells us about the universe in its infancy. It's the baseline, the fundamental note upon which the entire cosmic composition is built. And then there are the power ballads, the dramatic crescendos of this universal orchestra. At the heart of nearly every large galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lurks a monster, a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. While nothing can escape from beyond its event horizon, the region around it is one of the most violent and energetic places in the universe. As gas and dust are pulled into a swirling disk, they are heated to incredible temperatures, unleashing colossal jets of energy and radiation that blast out into space, traveling for millions of light years. These are the screaming guitar solos of the cosmos, powerful bursts of radio waves that outshine entire galaxies. So this incredible symphony is playing all around us, pulsing signals from dead stars, the ancient hum of creation, and violent screams from galactic centers. But how do we, on our tiny blue planet, tune in? We can't see radio waves, and we can't hear them in the vacuum of space. The answer lies in building giant ears, ears made of metal and steel, pointed steadfastly at the heavens. Here on Earth, scattered across deserts and mountaintops, are our gateways to this unseen realm. Vast arrays of radio telescopes, giants like the Very Large Array in New Mexico, or the ALMA Observatory, high in the Chilean Andes. These aren't like the telescopes you might look through. Instead of collecting visible light, their massive dishes gather the faint radio signals that have journeyed across the cosmos. Dozens of dishes work together, combining their signals to create a virtual telescope the size of a city, giving us an unprecedentedly sharp view of the radio universe. They are our instruments for listening to the cosmos. When these faint signals reach the telescopes, they are just a jumble of weak electronic noise. This is where the magic of science and technology comes in. In control rooms, powerful supercomputers get to work. They filter out the noise from our own planet and technology, amplify the faint cosmic whispers, and begin the process of translation. This raw data, this stream of numbers, holds the secrets of the universe. The scientist's job is to turn this data into something we can understand. Through a process called data visualization, these invisible signals are transformed. They become vibrant, colorful images that reveal structures we could never see with our eyes. A distant galaxy, which looks like a faint smudge in a normal telescope, might erupt in a blaze of radiolight, showing off giant lobes of gas powered by its central black hole. The computers can also convert these radio frequencies into sound waves, a process called sonification. Suddenly, we can hear the rhythmic pulse of a pulsar, a steady beat from across the galaxy. We can listen to the fluctuating hiss of the cosmic microwave background. We are, quite literally, listening to the universe. For the scientists who work in these control rooms, this is a daily experience of wonder. They are the composers and conductors of this cosmic data. With every new observation, they are adding a new piece to our understanding of the universe. They gaze at screens filled with charts and false color images, not just as data, but as portraits of distant worlds, echoes of ancient events. It's a profound connection to the cosmos, a sense of discovery that drives them to keep listening, to keep deciphering the messages hidden in the static. They are the first generation of humans to truly hear the symphony of the stars. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember what's hidden in the silence. We are floating in an ocean of information, a universe that is singing a song of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Our journey to listen has only just begun. With every new telescope we build, with every new signal we decode, we add another instrument to our cosmic orchestra, and the symphony becomes richer, clearer, and more beautiful. We are a part of this universe, and for the first time in history, we are learning to listen to its grand hidden composition. And what we are hearing is nothing short of magnificent. Thanks for watching. If you were amazed by the hidden music of the universe, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the cosmos. See you next time.